Hi, my name is Natalie Rosso. I'm originally from Peoria, Illinois.
I'm Matt Miller. I'm from Tracy, California.
Hi, my name is Jared Enriquez. I'm from San Antonio, Texas.
My name is Nina Mudia. I am from Detroit, Michigan.
My name is Lawrence Land. I'm from Rancho Palos Verdes in California.
If you're considering a way to change the world, this workshop is definitely a way to not change who you are, but be a better you.
It's a great opportunity to talk to faculty and learn how they got to where they are in the field and the challenges that they faced along the way.
We'll feel very confident going into our communities that we'll be armed with the right tools.
And a better understanding of what planning entails and all of the different aspects of planning that students can go into.
One of the most inspiring moments of the workshop for me was getting to learn from other students from different ethnic backgrounds than myself.
And understanding how their research was connected back to the same sorts of community organizing and the community work that they had done.
Being able to see people like me who have acquired that and tell me these are the steps that you need to take, these are the hardships that you will face, was very helpful.
If I were talking to a friend, I would tell them that if you want to learn how to appreciate the group IQ and not your own individual IQ and appreciate diversity, this is definitely one of those opportunities.
We all offered a great diversity of thought in addition to coming from different cultural backgrounds.
I do want to get a PhD. I do plan on doing that in the near future. This workshop has really given me the tools to fight the battles I need to fight in order to become an academic, and I see myself teaching.
I see myself doing a PhD in planning. Definitely after this workshop, I feel like it's convinced me to keep pursuing that path.
I'm seriously considering planning as a discipline to go into now.
And I think this is definitely a good time for us to be coming into the field and providing new perspectives.